Hi guys, this is Faith. I'm with Elegance for Less. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am going to do for you a wall mirror decor. So this decor is going to be a larger version of a decor that I did before. I have been in this mood of creating wall mirror decor, so I hope that you're loving the ideas that I've been sharing with you guys. This home decor is going to be a Walmart mirror, so it's one of the really long wall mirrors that you will need, and it was I purchased it for $14.98 from Walmart. You can also, if you don't want to spend that much, you can stack the Dollar Tree mirror and glue it onto a cardboard, which I am going to use a cardboard on this mirror as well. So you will need a cardboard. You can haul it from your local grocery store. You can purchase cardboard from the Dollar Tree as well. So it is your choice, whatever it is you decide you want to do. So you will need a mirror of your choice. You will need some cardboard. You will need a Dollar Tree. This is the wind twisters. So you will need, I want to say 13. I did buy 13 of them just to be on the safe side. So this Dollar Tree wall mirror decor is going to be multicolor, which for me, I think is perfect for spring. So I wanted to go with the multicolor, but if you want to spray paint this, you're more than welcome. I think it would look absolutely fabulous spray paint in gold or silver, but I'm going to keep it as is. Now you're also going to need spray paint because I want to spray paint the cardboard. So you're going to need these wind twisters. You're going to need a mirror of your choice. You will need cardboard. You will need some gems, and I've shared with you these gems that I hauled from Michael's, and you can use any gems of your choice. You can use the Dollar Tree gems, but I'm going with these because they somewhat give a multicolor reflection. Don't know if you can see that. I've used it several times. So I'm going to go with those. You will need your glue gun and glue sticks. You definitely need box cutter. You will need some razor or something that you can cut with. Your scissors as well. We are going to go ahead and spray paint the cardboard and glue the mirror on, and then I'll be back so we can begin. Okay guys, so after you have glued your mirror onto your cardboard, you will need I would say a heavy duty scissors, something that will be able to cut through the plastic. We're gonna go ahead and cut these wind twisters in half. You're gonna go ahead and take your gems. I'm gonna go with the little round ones. Put a dab of glue and place your gems right in the center of it. Just like that. I want to do that for all of them. So I'm going to go ahead and finish cutting my other wind twisters and add my gems, and then we can start to decorate the mirror. So guys, I want to mention that if you are separating and you accidentally cut too deep, it's no worries. Just go ahead and add some glue. And remember, you're going to glue it onto the cardboard anyway, so it will work out just fine. Don't panic, no worries. They will come back together eventually. So just hold it in place until it dries. just like that, and then you can go over the top again with a little bit more glue. I want to say that I'm not sure if I'm going to add some diamond wrap or not on this. So as we go through decorating, we'll decide. So I'm going to let that dry, and look, it comes right back together with some hot glue. So we're going to start adding our wind twister, and so we want to make sure wherever your gem is, it lines up with your mirror. So it gives us a landmark. So I want to make sure that I have enough space for all three. I think that looks good. So we'll go ahead and lay our glue down, a generous amount of glue. I got all the wind twister on, and I'm thinking I want to have a little bit of shine. I went ahead and add all the gems on. I just feel as though it needs something else. So I'm thinking I want to add some glitter. So I went ahead and mixed the silver, the gold, and some large silver glitter to my container. And now I'm thinking I am going to add some Mod Podge and go ahead and give it a little bit of shine, glam. So let's take it up a notch. So let's see what that's going to look like. Okay guys, so this is how the mirror turned out. I hope you like the way that this looked. If you do, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Share with your family and friends. I truly appreciate your time and your support. Leave me a comment and let me know what your thoughts are if this is a DIY you would do for your home. Inexpensive, beautiful, and springy. Thank you so much, and if you are not a subscriber, I hope that you'll go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Become a part of our family. I truly appreciate your time, and I look forward to seeing you on my next DIY.